Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include keyless ignition, iPod adapter, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2018 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, rear defrost, power door locks, security system, MP3 playback stereo, child safety locks, steering wheel controls. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.